You are in the mood for a drink, some stimulating discussion, and perhaps a bite to eat. You don't want to go around aimlessly seeking for a good drinking establishment, only to find one after you've wandered the streets looking for one that seems promising but turns out to be subpar when you get in. Some of these cocktail bars offer their patrons an experience that is so enjoyable and unique that they have the potential to become destinations in and of themselves inside the city. Listed here are some of our personal favorites. Before we start the list, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for future notifications. Number 10. Atlas, Singapore. Atlas in Singapore is a glamorous haven for gin and old-fashioned elegance. Atlas is a delight for gin and cocktail lovers with over 1,300 gins. The bar's Art Deco ceiling and gin bottle shelves provide a luxurious ambience. Atlas cocktail menu showcases gin's adaptability with a mix of classic and modern drinks. Every Atlas drink is a sensory experience, from expertly made cocktails to the bar's distinctive gin and tonic. Number 9. Harry's New York Bar in Paris. You're not in New York, but you want to get a taste of that city's vibe, right? You can enjoy authentic French cuisine in New York City, so why not have an experience similar to that of the Big Apple in Paris? The atmosphere at Harry's is distinctive in more ways than one. Simply put, it is modeled after the classic watering places of New York City. This location was formerly located in Manhattan. It was disassembled, packed up, and sent to Paris, where it was put back together again. Having a drink at Harry's in Paris is similar to spending time in New York's historical district in certain ways. You want more of a pedigree, don't you? It is supposed to be the location where popular cocktails such as the Bloody Mary, Sidecar, Monkey Gland, and White Lady were first created. How's this for a claim? The relocation of an entire bar to France can't have been cheap, and even while the experience will be valuable, there will be a cost associated with it. You should budget somewhere between 12 and 15 euros for a decent cocktail. Number 8. The Victoria Bar, Berlin. However, New York is not the only city that has seen traditionally less desirable parts of the city become more desirable as time has passed. Other cities have also seen this phenomenon. On Berlin's Potsdamer Straße, the Victoria Bar was one of the first establishments to contribute to the street's ascent to popularity as a trend-setting destination. It is not only forward-thinking, but also has a solid history and a good reputation in the community to back up its claims. A drink at this establishment comes with a very amazing environment, as the wood-paneled walls are adorned with artwork by Martin Kippenberger and Marcel Zama, and the entire effect is one of retro-elegant style combined with a laid-back and almost casual demeanor. You'll be able to give a nod to everything formal with a Prince Charles, a delightful combination of champagne, cognac, and apricot brandy, but you'll do so in a really relaxed state of mind thanks to the champagne in the drink. Number 7. Linch Teo. Linch Teo, located in Stockholm, Sweden, is well known for its attention to detail and for basing its cuisine on what is currently in season. Therefore, there is no reason why their best cocktail bar should be any different. In the summer, the available beverages will have flavors of sweet fruit and flowery notes, which will provide the impression of bringing the long-awaited sunshine indoors. In the winter, the available treats will be sweetened with salted caramel and bitter balances, both of which will warm you up despite the fact that it is dark and cold outside. Every aspect has been meticulously considered in order to achieve the highest possible level of quality in both the flavors and the environment. Even the ice cube that is currently in your beverage was hand-carved from a real iceberg. Is there another place where you could acquire that? Number 6. The Black Pearl, Melbourne. There is a reason that the Black Pearl, which has a prominent location on Melbourne's well-known Fitzroy Street, is considered by many of Australia's best bartenders and mixologists to be their spiritual birthplace. In the event that you attend, make your first stop the Attic, which is located on the second floor and features a cocktail menu that is always being updated with new and exciting options. The cocktails are a feast for the tongue and the senses. The aroma and sophistication of each composition will be the first things that strike you, but the taste is where the real brilliance, craftsmanship, and creativity of each cocktail will be found to be appreciated. These works of liquid art, ranging from light, refreshing, and fruity to dark, bitter, and bone-warming, will keep you seated, with a smile on your face, right up until the closing bell at 3 in the morning, no matter what flavor profile you choose. Number 5. Baltra Bar in Mexico City. The country of Mexico is most commonly associated with spiciness, tequila, and beer. Nevertheless, the country is not known for producing high-quality drinks. However, if you are in the area and are looking for a cocktail bar that is among the best in the business, you should make your way straight to the Baltra Bar. You get to be the judge amongst the various resident mixologists, who are in fierce competition with one another. You may try the last word, a gin cocktail that combines mint pastis, sherry, and lime juice. Alternatively, you could sample some outstanding fortified wines or botanicals. That the presentation of each creation is a piece of art. Your eyes will please just as much as your taste buds will. The only reason the flavor won't make you smile is that you'll already be smiling. Have fun. Number 4. London's Connaught Bar. We would be doing you a disservice if we didn't add something from our own country, which is known for its extensive cocktail culture. Connaught is not the only top-tier cocktail bar in the UK, in fact, it is far from it. Nonetheless, it is among the very best bars in the country. Performers, chemists, and hosts all rolled into one. The bartenders who make drinks here are mixologists. It appears like each and every motion, flavor, color, and sound has been orchestrated to delight and excite the customers. Platinum silver leaf wall panels, table candles, and elegant lighting combine to set the mood, and the flavors of lavender, cardamom, vanilla, licorice, coriander, and vanilla are only a wisp of the tools available to the master mixologists that inhabit the glittering bar area, which is their natural habitat. In addition, the wall panels are made of silver leaf. Number 3. New York City's Dante. Dante, a hidden gem in Greenwich Village, is a top cocktail spot that marries the charm of a traditional cafe with modern mixology. Dante's transition from a cafe in 1915 into a cocktail bar has wowed the world. Dante's cocktail menu emphasizes Italian aperitivo culture with classic and creative drinks. Every Dante cocktail is a masterpiece, from their famous Negronis to their Italian spirit-inspired masterpieces. The bar's precision, presentation, and warmth attract residents and visitors. Number 2. The American Bar at the Savoy. One of London's most famous hotels, exudes elegance and style. As one of the oldest cocktail establishments in the world, the American Bar seamlessly blends current mixology with refinement. Each cocktail has a tale on a menu that reads like a history lesson. The bar's quality and presentation are unrivaled, from classic drinks to unique flavor experiments. The American Bar serves classic cocktails in a historic setting. Number 1. New York's Dead Rabbit. The parlor located on the second floor is where you should go for the greatest cocktails. By flipping through the menu in the form of a comic book, you can select one of the 30 different drinks that are available. Choosing your guilty pleasure is likely to provide you with a few good laughs. The bartenders are well informed, friendly without being overbearing, and they mix drinks as if their very lives depend on getting the right combination. You could try the Smart Alec, which is made with Calvados, aquavit, and celery bitters, or the Hat Trick, which is made with rum, banana, lime, and Peychaud's bitters. Either option is a fantastic spot to start the evening, and you might even discover a new favorite drink among the options available. Tell us about your favorite cocktail bar in the comments and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.